Happy video day, guys. So today's video we're going to be going over a bunch of holiday bundles. So I'm going to be telling you guys all of the best bundles that I have seen so far at Sephora that I think are totally worth a double take. So if you guys are ready to see different bundles that are available right now, let's go ahead and get right into it. I like to talk about makeup, so if you guys like makeup, hit the subscribe button. All right guys, so we got a few bundles, so let's get into it. So let's go to my loves list because that's where I saved everything. So the first thing I want to tell you guys about is from Beauty Blender, and actually it's a Beauty Blender Too Faced collab like bundle, and it's really cool. So it's $40. It says it has a retail value of $59, and it's called the Beauty Sleep. So if you guys look inside of it has a beauty blender. It also has micro mini beauty blender, hangover setting spray, and it also has the hangover primer. So this one definitely looks like a really cool bundle because they are products that I know a lot of people really love. So I saw the set from BUXOM, and actually it looks like a really cool set. It's called the Full On Fantasy Mini Lip Plumping Set. So it has like a bunch of different lip plumpers, I guess they are, in it, and it comes with a bunch of different colors. So it comes with a bunch of different colors in it, and actually it looks like a really nice little set. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it comes with actually 8 different colors in it, and it's $44 from $85 retail value. So I definitely think that that's a cute little set, especially if you guys like the BUXOM lip plumpers, which I actually know that they're really popular. So another one that I saw that was really cool is from Somerville. So it's called the Radically Radiant Set, and it comes with a bunch of different products from Somerville. And I actually used to order Somerville years ago when you can only like order her from her place in California, and I used to ship it, and I used to really love her products. So this is for $95, and it's from $155 retail value. It has the Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. It also has the Cleansing Daily Foaming Wash, which I think that's the one I used to use, the Retinol Firming Eye Cream, and the Wrinkle Warrior 2-in-1 Plumping Moisturizer Serum. So it has a bunch of really good products in it for like keeping your skin like nice and pretty. I really think that that's a really good set, especially if you guys want to try out Somerville. She actually has a really good skincare line that doesn't really get talked about too much. So talking about skincare, let's jump into OLEHENRIKSEN. So OLEHENRIKSEN is like a brand that you hear a lot about on YouTube. I can't really vouch for the brand. I don't really know too much about it, but I think that maybe some of you guys do know about this brand, might like this. It's an $80 value, and you're gonna get it for $49, which is a really good deal. So it has a few different products from OLEHENRIKSEN, which I think that if you guys wanted to try the brand, that's also a really good way to try it. So this one I saw when it was coming out, and I thought this was actually really cool. It's from Dr. Jart, and this is a company that I've actually seen them before. I've never tried this one either, and actually it's a face mask set. It's really cool. So it's a $57 value for $36, and you get a few different face masks. It has a bunch of different masks in it for $36. I think it's a really good deal, and actually I think it was really cool, so I wanted to mention that one to you guys. So the next one is from Sol de Janeiro, and it's called the Bum Carnaval. This is so cool because I love the Bum cream, and I think it's so cool. I got it in the BoxyCharm, and I thought it was fantastic. So this is an $89 value, and it's for $59, and inside of it you get a bunch of Rio de Janeiro products. The Brazilian Bum cream, which is the cream that I think is awesome. It has the Brazilian Touch Hand Cream, the Brazilian Foreplay Moisturizing Shower Gel, and it also has the Brazilian Crush Body Fragrance Mist. So now if all of this has that delicious Bum cream scent, it's fantastic. On this one, it was such a good deal, guys, and I think that this is one that you guys should like definitely purchase if you guys are into Tatcha. I actually have a few of these products, and I have to vouch and say that some of them are really good. This is actually a $103 value for $64, and the products that you're getting inside of here are the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, which is really good. I really like it a lot. You're also getting the water cream, which she's really known for. You're getting the Silk Canvas, which is that new silk canvas that she came out with. Then there's the Violet Sea Radiance Mask, which I also have, and I think it's a very good mask. I think that this is one of the best sets that's available right now, especially for skincare. So totally would recommend you guys looking at this one. So this was actually cute. I don't know how practical it is, but it's from Charlotte Tilbury, and it's called the mini set. It's $22, and it comes with 2 mini lipsticks, and it's just a really cute little set. I thought it was adorable. I don't know if it's still a little bit on the pricey side, but it's still cute. I mean, you only get 2 minis and the cute little bag, but it's, if you guys like Fenty, this is actually a really cute set. It's from Fenty. So it has 2 of the little Mademoiselle lipsticks in it, and it comes in like this little, like, I don't know, like it's like a decoration for the tree. And I think it's really cute. It's $19. It does come with these 2 different shades in in it. I think it's a really cute stocking stuffer if you guys are looking for something to give somebody, just like maybe even for like a Christmas exchange or something. This looks like a really cool gift. Fenty does have a really good name, and I do like the Mademoiselle lipsticks. Are really good. This is another one from Charlotte Tilbury. So Charlotte Tilbury, since it is an expensive brand, sometimes it is good to get these sets. So this is an $82 value for $45, and I actually like this set more than the other one. It comes with the color Chameleon in Amber Haze. It also comes with a full fat lashes in black, the Lip Cheat in Pillow Talk, which is one of her most famous colors, the Matte Revolution in Pillow Talk, which is also that famous color, the Rock and Coal eyeliner in Bedroom Black. So it comes with a bunch of different products from Charlotte Tilbury. You could definitely try out the brand if you wanted to, and I actually think that this one is actually a really good set. All right guys, so this is one of my favorite sets, and they have this always, I think, around the holidays, and I actually purchased one of these, and they have a similar one again. I don't know, is this the same one I have? It's a similar one because it has two of the colors that I actually have. And this is the Oh My Stars Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow Mini Set. I love my set of this that I got. It's $25 and the retail value is $36, but these are so good. This is such a useful set because you don't really go through these glitter eyeshadows that often, at least I don't. So it's good to have them in a mini, and you get 3 really good colors in this. Okay, so these are some of the holiday big sets that are out right now. So there is the Dream Queen Limited Edition Makeup Collection. This is from Too Faced. A lot of people already have a few reviews on this online. I think that this is just a really good value. It says that it's $357 value and you're getting it for $58. That is an amazing value. You get a pretty nice size eyeshadow palette. You get the Better Than Sex mascara. You're also getting the hangover spray. You're getting a lot of stuff in here, and I think it's a great value. So if you guys are looking for a really nice, like kind of like gift set that you can give somebody that's gonna have a lot of stuff in it, I think that that's a really good value. There's also the Too Faced Under the Christmas Tree Breakaway Face and Eye Palettes. I think that this one also is a great value. It's a $230 value. You're getting it for $49. You're getting eye colors and you're getting face colors, plus you're getting the Better Than Sex mascara. This is also a really good gift. Definitely a nice bundle. The other one that I think is really good is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfectors. This is a $76 value. You guys know the Skin Perfectors are pretty expensive. These are 4 little minis. It has some of her famous colors in it, and it's gonna be $40. And I think that this is just a really cute set. If you guys don't even have that many Skin Perfectors and you guys wanted to buy them, don't even buy the full size. Buy this one. You'll get 4 different ones, and it has some of her famous shades in it. So it's totally worth it. So this is another one of those big face palette type of things. This is the Pineapple of My Eye Collector set, and this is from Tarte. I am not a huge fan of the packaging. I think this pineapple is just way too big, but I have heard people say that the colors in here are really beautiful and they blend really nice, and it does come with an eyeliner. It also comes with mascara, so this is also a really good value. It's a $354 value. You're getting it for $59, so this one is also really good. If you guys like the colors in this one better, I would say that this is a really good value as well. This is from Too Faced, and it's a limited edition, and it's called the Sweet Smell of Christmas Mini Melted Liquid Lip. The Sweet Melted Liquid Lips. You can get this for $25 and it's a $48 retail value. It comes with these 4 different shades, and I've seen these swatched and they are really pretty shades. I think this is very universal. I really like this one a lot. I think it's really cool. So yeah, this is definitely a good stocking stuffer for you guys, or even for exchange gifts. I think it's really good. This is one of the bigger collection type of things, but I just think you get a lot of stuff in here for what it is. This is a Once Upon a Castle Advent Calendar. It is $45 and you're getting a lot of stuff here. It's a bunch of different beauty surprises brought to you from Sephora. So you're getting a bunch of different things in here. You're getting stuff from the Lip Stories. You're getting different glitter elastic headbands. It's supposed to be like one of those advent calendars, kind of like what NARS is doing, but this is from the Sephora makeup collection. So I do think that that's a really cute like idea, and you know, it's cute. It's cute. Okay, so this is one of the newer ones that had just came out from. This is from Jouer Cosmetics, and this is called the Rose Gold Collection Set, and it's gonna be $25. So it comes with a cream liquid lipstick. It also comes with a pressed highlighter in rose gold, which I love rose gold highlighters, and it also comes with a lip topper in rose gold, which is also a beautiful color. So I actually think that's a really cute set. So another one that is a little bit like glitzy ritzy. So if you guys want to give away a set that's like, wow, Pat Mcgrath. So this is a Pat Mcgrath set. I actually like it. I actually was going to order one of them, and it sold out, I think, before I could even order it. But it's a $45 value. You can get it for $25. It's called the Color Blitz. It's her mini matte trans lipstick. mix, and it's a trio, and you get 3 different colors. I think it's really pretty. And then this is the last one I'm going to tell you guys about. It's from Briogeo. I really like Briogeo a lot, and this is a $54 value. Get it for $39, and you're getting some products in here that I really like. Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, which I love. You're also getting a charcoal and coconut exfoliating shampoo. You're getting a heat protectant cream, and you're also getting a leave-in conditioning spray, all from Briogeo for a great price. So those are the different bundles that are available right now at Sephora that I think are really great for the holidays. So if you guys are looking for holiday gifts, I definitely would recommend some of these because they are really good, and I love the values of them. These bundle sets are really the best times to try out some of these brands that you guys have never tried before. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me your thumbs up and leave me your comments below, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!